So we got a leaker right here. So we remove the shredders and then we clean out the area so we can fix the leak. Again, yeah. So now the leak is fixed and we're pressurizing to make sure we don't have a leak anymore. No more bubbles. We'll pressurize to 300 psi. Pressure held. Only 1 psi in like 12 minutes. We should be good to pull a vacuum. After leak checking, we are using our micron gauge. So now we verify charge. 12.8. Set up our vacuum and our charging. We're going to purge a little bit. Purge. Now we zero out and charge through the low side. So as you guys can tell, HVAC's fun. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. HVAC is amazing. It will pay your bills. I'm just a humble HVAC tech here who's just trying to get cooling one day at a time. So once again, this is Rick, the HVAC Daddy. Follow me and subscribe.